Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The private sector organization of Jamaica has a new executive director. Sasha Vassiana Riley has been appointed to the post effective today, September 18. PSOJ President Metrosiaga says Ms. Riley will bring value to the organization. Since 2014, she served as Chief Legal, Risk and Compliance Officer at C&WJ Cooperative Credit Union. She is a practicing attorney. Carib Cement Company Limited says it has been able to fully meet local demand for its products. Over the last few quarters, there has been a marginal drop in construction output, which has also affected the local purchase of cement. The company later found export opportunities. At the weekend, Carib Cement exported 3,400 metric tons of cement to the Turks and Caicos Islands. The company's managing director says with regional export opportunities, Carib Cement hopes to reduce the need for territories to get cement outside the Caribbean. The company says it will further increase exports when it completes its $40 million kiln expansion project. This will result in a 30% increase in production capacity. The Heart NSTA Trust is working to fill gaps in its pool of instructors. Like a number of educational institutions, Heart has faced a shortfall in teachers for some courses. Deputy Managing Director Dr. Cheryl McLaughlin says the program will help to meet demand for its programs, especially for a number of courses up to level 4.
The Teach for Heart initiative is our response to the severe shortage of instructors that we are currently experiencing in certain specific skill areas such as construction and the emerging technologies and the automotive technology. And what it essentially is a program that is designed to recruit and to train and to retain young skilled professionals in the field so that we can develop them professionally to teach in our classrooms.
34 persons are part of the first cohort for the program. She says additional certification will be provided for participants over a period that could last for up to 2 years.
Come October, they're going to be enrolled in a level 4 training and assessment program that is carried through our Heart College for innovation and technology. And they're also going to be taught to move up or to advance in their skills of expertise. And so because of the nature of the cohort, we are going to be doing individualized training in skill areas where they're going to be placed in online sessions, one-on-one instruction. We're going to be immersing them in industry. A couple of them may benefit from programs that are offered overseas.
Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $155.53. $116.16 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $192.11. It's costing $166.40 for the euro. And to the stock market now, the JSE index gained 1,229 points today, while the junior market lost 38 points. Among the 27 winners, Paramount Trading Jamaica, MPC Carbon Clean Energy US dollar shares, Elite Diagnostic, Blue Power Group and Pan Jamaica Group. The 64 losers were led by First Rock Real Estate US dollar shares, Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar shares, MPC Carbon Clean Energy, JMMB Group 7% VR Jamaican dollar shares, and JMMB Group 5.5% US dollar CR preference shares. 15 stocks ended the session at the same price they opened trading today. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.